The Make Ready program with National Grid benefits our customers tremendously. I don't really think it would happen without this program. So the EV Make Ready program has definitely impacted our business in a positive way and a completely different way than I expected. It was definitely a growth in a segment that we weren't planning on getting into. We are really excited that we're into it right now, and it's a tremendous opportunity for us and our customers and really the communities we're doing this in. We're changing the landscape of the places we're in, and we're recreating the fuel system for the future, more or less. But this has created more jobs for our company. I mean, we have a whole new team now that's focused on EV only. You know, we started with LED lighting, and now we have a completely separate branch, a separate segment that is its own beast, and it's its own entity, more or less. It's fun to be part of the future.